What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this bass sound that's in this right here. Anyway, I'm going to pull up the Harmor here. And I'm going to just start by turning everything off. And I'll kind of go over each thing as we go. All right. So basically, fresh Harmor with a low pass to start off. Oh, I forgot to take off the effects as well. So just like that. And pitching it down, of course, for a bass sound. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to make sort of an impact along with the bass. So I did the pitch drop here envelope, as you can see. So turning that on. It's not a whole lot yet, but we also are going to create a volume envelope. And there you go. It's starting to have a little bit more impact now. And then I'm also kind of controlling how long it lasts for. And then what I kind of been playing with a lot lately is just moving things around as the sound progresses. So like I'm actually creating an envelope for the low pass. And I'm also playing with a lot lately is the resonance. So you can do a lot of fun things with that. So I started off by kind of like, actually bringing the frequencies higher as the sound progresses. And that kind of gives it like and it's just a very short, like rising. And, but the interesting thing is, the resonance. So actually, this was the one thing I actually forgot to turn down, but I didn't have any at first. And that just kind of emphasizes those frequencies of wherever you set it to be. And I was playing with moving around the offset knob and filter 1 offset. And I kind of I was playing around with it and kind of created this curve, pretty basic. And I was also playing around with where I wanted it to actually start as well. So, and it ended up being, as you can kind of hear that now. And you can kind of see in the graph like what it's doing as well. I just kind of wanted it to follow along with the sort of plucky quality that I've given it with the volume and the pitch. And then that was pretty much it. I added some Unison and just to give it sort of a more larger feel. And then I distorted it just a little bit. Makes it start to sound really nice. And put on a little bit of reverb, medium-low decay. Pretty small decay. Now that I kind of listen to it. And that was pretty much everything that I did here. And it just sounds pretty nice. I might have slightly changed it with this knob there, but that's the basic sound, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos, anything you'd like to see, and leave that in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.